Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for living a healthy and happy lifestyle. Today, we're talking about collagen, a crucial protein that helps keep our skin, hair, nails and joints strong and healthy. Collagen is found in many foods, but some are particularly rich in this nutrient. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 foods that helps boost your body's collagen production. 1. Bone broth. One of the most well-known sources of collagen is bone broth. Made by simmering bones for hours, this savory liquid is packed with collagen and other nutrients that are great for our skin, hair, and joints. Specifically, bone broth is high in the type 1 collagen, which is the most abundant type of collagen found in our body, and is responsible for maintaining the structure and integrity of our skin, hair and nails. To get the most collagen from your bone broth, make sure to select bones from grass-fed or organic animals, and simmer them for at least 24 hours. 2. Fish. Fish is another great source of collagen, particularly oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These types of fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids which help to boost collagen production in the body. Fish is also a good source of type 1 collagen, which is found in fish skin and scales. Consider adding fish skin to your diet by consuming fish dishes like sushi rolls that include the skin, or by making fish skin chips as a healthy and tasty snack. 3. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are also high in collagen. These fruits are packed with antioxidants which help to protect and nourish the skin. Berries are also high in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for collagen production. 4. Red and yellow bell peppers. These brightly colored vegetables are high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. They also contain antioxidants that help to protect the skin from damage. Bell peppers are also high in vitamin A, which is important for skin health, and helps to prevent dryness and wrinkles. 5. Spinach. Spinach is high in vitamin A and vitamin C, which are both essential for collagen production. This leafy green is also high in antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. Spinach is also high in lutein, which is an important nutrient for eye health and may help to reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from damage. They also contain vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Tomatoes are also a great source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, and may help to reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is essential for collagen production. They also contain biotin and vitamin B12 which help to strengthen hair and nails. Eggs are also a great source of choline, which is an important nutrient for brain health, and may help to improve memory and cognitive function. 8. Kiwi. Kiwi is a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. They are also high in antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. Kiwi is also high in potassium and fiber, which are both important for maintaining healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. 9. Almonds. Almonds are high in vitamin E, which is essential for collagen production. They are also high in magnesium, which is important for healthy skin. Almonds are also a great source of monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds are also high in protein and fiber, which help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. 10. Papaya. Papaya is a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. It is also high in antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. Papaya is also high in enzymes like papain and chymopapane, which aid in digestion and may help to reduce inflammation in the body. Papaya is also high in vitamin A, which is important for eye health, and may help to reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. So there you have it, 10 foods that help boost your body's collagen production naturally. Remember, collagen is an important protein that helps keep our skin, hair, nails and joints strong and healthy, so try to incorporate these foods into your diet regularly. Eating a variety of collagen-rich foods, as well as a balanced diet, will ensure that you get all the nutrients you need to maintain a healthy and youthful appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips and tricks.